Hey, what's up guys? Question, can I monetize my channel without showing my face? You've probably heard this a million times. You have to be on camera if you want to grow on YouTube. Well, that's a myth. In fact, there are channels making thousands of dollars every single month without ever showing their face. And some of them you've probably watched without realizing it. So, if you're shy, private, or just not into being on camera, stick with me, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can monetize your channel without ever revealing your face. Hey creators, welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, your go-to channel for YouTube growth tips, monetization hacks, and success strategies. If you're serious about making money on YouTube, hit that subscribe button right now, like this video, and drop a comment below to let me know if you go faceless or not. Let's dive in. Part 1, can you really monetize without showing your face? Yes, you absolutely can. YouTube's partner program requirements are based on your watch hours, subscribers, and original content, not your appearance. As long as your videos are engaging, follow YouTube's policies, and provide value, you can get monetized. Think about animation channels, gaming content, tutorial slideshows, product reviews with voiceovers, or even stock footage compilations. None of these require showing your face, yet they can earn ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate income. Part 2, popular faceless channel ideas. Here are a few profitable ideas for going faceless. 1, screen record tutorials. Teach something using screen capture software. 2, top 10 lists and facts. Use stock footage, images, and a voiceover. 3, gaming content. Record gameplay with commentary or captions. 4, meditation and relaxation channels. Use royalty-free music and visuals. 5, product unboxings, show hands-only demonstrations. 6, podcast-style videos, just your voice and a static or animated background. 7, animation and whiteboard explainers. Great for educational content. Part 3, how to build trust without showing your face. One concern with faceless channels is connection. People connect with people, but here's how to still build trust. Be consistent with your voice or narration style. Use a recognizable brand name and logo. Engage in the comments to show your personality. Share personal stories through voiceover or text overlays. This way, your audience still feels like they know you, even without seeing you. Part 4, monetization methods for faceless channels. Aside from AdSense, here are great ways to make money. Affiliate marketing, review or recommend products and include affiliate links. Digital products, sell ebooks, templates, or online courses. Sponsorships, brands often care more about your audience than your face. Merchandise, sell branded items that relate to your niche. Patreon or memberships offer exclusive behind the scenes or bonus content. And part 5, my quick growth tips for faceless channels. 1, focus on storytelling. People watch for the story, not the face. 2, use high quality audio. Bad audio kills engagement. 3, leverage free stock footage. Sites like Pexels and Pixabay are gold. 4, post consistently. Upload at least 1 to 3 videos a week. 5, analyze and optimize. Use YouTube analytics to see what works and double down. So, yes, you can monetize a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. In fact, some faceless creators are making 6 figures a year. The secret? Consistency, creativity, and knowing your audience. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of faceless channel you start. I'm excited to see your ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, everybody.
I'm full-time YouTuber, living my dream, can't lose. 500 million songs just like Mr. Beast. I'm full-time YouTuber, yeah.